I believe it's called Tannerite. It's a bi-catalyst compound you mix together. Little bead form. This is, I think, a 2-pound. Mix it together. You can buy them in like 10-pound. That'd be really nice. Exploding scarecrow. Really fun.
Yeah, it's funner to watch. If he can hit it. Be on YouTube.
Ready? Watching?
Plug your ears. Yeah! Beautiful!
I wasn't plugging my ears. I wasn't even plugging my ears, and I was right here.
Hey, there's my rope.
Or is it sitting right here? Oh, what's the matter? It was right there.
You don't have to move anything. That's the key word.
See how it cleans it? That was cool. Oh my gosh. That's almost louder without packing. I think it can escape more. That's my bullet hole.
Oh, you were aiming this way.
That's my bullet hole.
It was right here. Look at your line of sight.
No, those his first ones are way high.
Yeah, his first one. These are definitely bullet holes.
Yeah. Hey, that missed you by 3 feet. Say when, Ron? Hang on. Can you hang on, Ron? Yep. Hey, watch it. I gotta blow it up. You ready? All right. Guys ready? Ready? Let her buck. You look low, Ron.
That was awesome.
Dude, I felt.
You had 2 really good rifles out here and had 2 guys shooting it, one on top, one on bottom. You know what it would look like?
I don't think it makes fire.
Yeah.
That would have lit though.
This is a dry hay bale, Ron.
So don't start on fire.